joining us from Pune. I'm
Yes,
based
I'm
in
from Pune.
Delhi and Deepak is based in Pune.
Yes, I'm based in Pune, the city of it's called the east of Oxford. So this is the place where I belong to, and this is where from here going live. So now the in this pandemic, the world has become small. Even though you are in Delhi, I'm in Pune, and we are together. Still, we are together, and we are together with the audience also.
Yes, that's the advantage of being IT savvy in this time. So let's start with the interview or chit chat. So Deepak, tell us about your background and your educational background and what area of work do you do?
Okay, yeah, Kapil, I am from basically from a pharmaceutical background. I'm from a pharmaceutical background. I'm a pharmaceutical professional. All my experiences have been in pharmaceutical industry. So now what I do is I help companies to prepare themselves for exports, and I take them to countries like Africa and Latin America. I help the pharmaceuticals, the nutraceuticals, the cosmeceuticals, the food industry, the agro, the veterinary. I try my best to for them for exports, and along with that, I have a passion which now I have converted into business, which many people may love it. So I am into manufacturing of happiness and sweetness. I manufacture happiness and I manufacture sweetness, and it's called as chocolates. So I do manufacture. I'm into manufacturing of chocolates. So this is my small introduction, my brief about it. So I got more than 260 varieties of chocolates. So there is a difference between what I do in the chocolates. So I do pure cocoa based chocolates. What I do is I do pure cocoa based chocolates, just trying to add value to this industry where many products in the industry are caramel based products. What I do is I do pure cocoa based products. So this is a small brief and an introduction about myself. So yeah, now back to you.
Okay, so I get from this is दर्द भी देते हैं दवा भी देते
दर्द दर्द भी कम करते हैं, दर्द भी कम करते हैं और उसके साथ में मिठास भी देते हैं, सो दैट
Okay.
दर्द और मिठास से ही सबकी सेहत बनती है। दर्द कम होना और मिठास, इससे ही सेहत बनती है। और आजकल आजकल के ज़माने में हमको जो चाहिए सबसे पहले सेहत। सो सेहत बनाने में आई एम ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग द हेल्थ केयर इन चॉकलेट इंडस्ट्री। तो मैं
Okay.
वही काम कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज़ रिसेंटली आई हैव लॉन्च्ड इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर चॉकलेट्स।
Wow.
Immunity booster chocolates, which contains iron chocolates, calcium chocolates, omega 3 chocolates, protein chocolates. It's a set of 4 chocolates जो which I have launched, so which will help the people. ऐसे नहीं है कि चॉकलेट मतलब जंक फूड है, नहीं. So that is what I am trying to bring the healthcare into this, and so this is where people can eat chocolates, be healthy, and in fact they get more beneficial by having chocolates. So this is what is
Wow.
my focus for that.
Yes, I read about also, I think, and I saw some video, I think a day before back. There's a lady in Europe. She runs a restaurant which has everything, all the dishes have chocolate in it. And I think at some point of the time in Europe, uh, chocolate was the staple food of people.
Yes, yes, I agree. So I will tell you, Kapil, if you are told a fantastic thing. So let me share. Take this. What do you call? Let me take this to audience. I have done a research on chocolate. I have done research on chocolate. I have studied, or I can two words. I have tasted and tested most of the brands of the world, the chocolates, and I have written a book on that. I became an author by writing a book where I have covered 4,000 years history of chocolate in my book called Chocolate Civilization, which is released on Amazon. So where you will not believe, it's not only the staple food. You once upon a time, the chocolate or the cocoa beans were used as currency. They were used as currency. There were they used to exchange in dowries. There were kingdoms where they used to exchange cocoa or the chocolate in form of currency. They used to exchange. So I have written many more things in my book. So yes, what you said, it has got a big history, and yes, I am trying to bring healthcare into that. Just to add one more thing, I have recently, just last month, I have made a chocolate. I have manufactured first time in the history of the world. I have manufactured a chocolate only for women. I have
Wow.
manufactured a chocolate only for women. And tell you what, women suffer a lot during their menstrual cycle and periods. So I tried to take 7 points in that. I made a research on that. I took 7 points. Let's say fatigue. Fatigue is 1 point which women face. Cravings is another point which they say. Third point is mood swings. Fourth is cramp soothner. Fifth is antioxidant. Sixth is they need energy level. And fourth is bloating. To overcome all these things, I made use of ancient herbs, vitamins, and proteins, and released this chocolate called as Disha Sakhi period chocolate. 5 days of periods, five different chocolates. First time in the history of the world.
Wow, that's really great.
Thank you.
Where are these chocolates available? Like, can you
Yeah.
tell my audience that as well? Because if they want to buy, where do they go?
So my website, my own website, e-commerce website is called Disha Chocolates. DEESHA Disha Chocolates.com. It's available there. Along with that, it's available on Amazon, it's available on Flipkart, it's available on Snapdeal. So I try to make it available, and I'm just a phone call away. I can share at the end, I can share my mobile number also. You can just call me because I want each and everybody to taste or to use these chocolates. And by the way, my company name is called Disha Chocolates, and I call it as ICC, not Indian Cricket Team, but the Indian Chocolate Company.
Wow,
Past 7 years, this is my tagline, the Indian Chocolate Company.
great. And what is the name of your book?
It is called Chocolate Civilization because it was a big civilization. I call it as a civilization. It's called Chocolate Civilization. It is available on Amazon. If you go on Amazon, either type Chocolate Civilization or type my name, Deepak Toshniwal. If you type Deepak Toshniwal, you will get that, and there you can buy this book. It is available on Kindle also. You can always read it.
Great, thank you. Okay, and let's change a little bit the subject, like about the mentors we were talking about. So, what do you think a mentor's role is in? Because you have been an entrepreneur and you have digressed into three different fields, I can see. So, how do you think is the role of the mentor in a entrepreneur's life?
See, I'll tell you, the role of a mentor is a very crucial role because I'll tell you, maybe with the time you were in school and college, or maybe in my school and college, जब के ज़माने में our parents used to take us to the school and just leave it to the to the teachers. स्कूल में डाल दिया, उनकी responsibility खत्म हो गई. आप पढ़ो, वो पढ़ाएंगे, teachers पढ़ाएंगे. But now it's not like that. Now it's not like that. The children, the next generation is very, very fast. They have a fantastic grasping power. We should really appreciate that. But now, if you give them a right guidance at right time, they can become a fantastic entrepreneur. They can become an excellent entrepreneur. They have so much of creativity in them. But if you need that, mentorship is very, very important. This is what I always feel. That is the reason, whatever experience I have of 20 plus years, I try to share. I go to MBA colleges, I share with a lot of MBA students, I interact with them, I talk to them, and whoever requires, I try to guide them, I try to mentor them. So mentor's role is very important, and believe me, I have seen a lot of success story in this. Mentorship is a very, 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 very crucial role, and I feel most of them, whoever requires, if they adopt this mentor mentee role, this can be very beneficial.
Also, I see like recently, though this mentor-mentee relationship is very old one. Like, just in
Yes.
India, we call it Guru Shishya Parampara. और without that, like at least in Indian culture, like अगर कोई वो कहते हैं गुरु वाला बंदा वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता लाइफ। तो what actually motivates a mentor to mentee people?
Okay.
A mentee will be always trying to find someone, because if the path is not clear, people try to find a solution in who can a person who can give us some solution. But what motivates a mentor to mentee people?
Fantastic question. I love this question. Kapil, you know why? Because when you have such big huge experience, इतना एक्सपीरियंस आपने कमाया है या फिर इसको मेहनत करके कमाया है, ये एक्सपीरियंस ऐसे ही नहीं आता है। बट हाउ डू यू यूटिलाइज दिस एक्सपीरियंस? और सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस हम सिर्फ हमारे अंदर रख के हम चले जाए, इससे क्या होने वाला है? अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस को आपको बांटना चाहिए, आपका एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करना चाहिए। आपके एक्सपीरियंस को जब तक आप शेयर नहीं करेंगे, एंड व्हेन यू सी योर एक्सपीरियंस हैज बीन यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द मेंटी प्रॉपर्ली एंड यू सी अ सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर बडिंग अप, that gives a lot of inspiration, that gives you a lot of satisfaction, and that is what you see कि आप कुछ तो कर रहे हो देश के लिए, you are trying to help the young generation. This is what motivates me. If you ask me, this is what motivates me. If I see कि मेरे experience के help से if somebody is budding up, if some young person is budding up, I'll be the most satisfied person. And I feel this is what is one inspiration, one motivation, which ultimately gives you fantastic satisfaction. uh, I think that's more than enough. For these three things are more than enough for a mentor to do the mentorship to a mentee.
Okay, now this was a question related to mentor, but now I'm asking related to a mentee, because
Okay.
like uh, in India, every third person is a doctor. You go tell someone I've got this problem, he'll suggest you so many medicines. मुझे ये हुआ था, तुम ये खा लो, ये खा लो, ये खा लो. And now I see a trend, like every fourth person is either a coach, either a trainer, or a mentor. So how does one find a good mentor? This is a question from a mentee's point of view. How does one find mentor? कैसे ढूंढेंगे?
It's again a very interesting question. सबसे पहली बात सी, जब हम कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं, 10th में एक स्टेज आता है जहां सारे लोग कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि मुझे क्या करना है, और एक स्टेज आता है 12th में, एक जब 12th के बाद कि मुझे क्या करना है। दीज आर द टू स्टेजेस जहां पर हमको गाइडेंस की जरूरत है। कोई काफी लोग जो जिनका माइंडसेट क्लियर है, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है, मुझे और आजकल का नए ट्रेंड में मुझे यूट्यूबर ही बनना है, मुझे कुछ अलग बनना है, तो उनका जिनके थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर है वो तो चले जाते हैं। बट जिनके थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर नहीं है, जो कंफ्यूज्ड है, जो कंफ्यूज है, देन व्हाट दे डू, दे ट्राई टू, और आजकल तो ऑनलाइन में इतने लोग मिलते हैं, देयर आर एक्सपर्टाइज। जैसे आपने बताया कि हर चौथा आदमी जब डॉक्टर बनता है, तो बट अभी सिर्फ वैसा नहीं चलता है। वी नीड एक्सपर्टीज, व्हाट वी नीड इज एक्सपर्टीज। हमको एक्सपर्ट चाहिए। तो हम क्या करते हैं, अगर ऐसा भी हो गया कि मुझे राइट कान दर्द वाला एक्सपर्ट अलग है और लेफ्ट कान दर्द वाला अलग है, दांत वाला अलग है, तो चेस्ट वाला अलग है, तो हार्ट वाला अलग है, सो अपने पास सारे एक्सपर्टीज अवेलेबल है, तो उनको यूटिलाइज करना है। तो मेंटी को जब ढूंढना है, तो वो 3 से 4 फील्ड में उसका रहता है इंटरेस्ट, उसके 3 से 4 फील्ड में इंटरेस्ट रहता है, और उसमें कंफ्यूज रहता है कि ये चार मुझे कौन सा फील्ड चूज करना है, विच इज द फील्ड आई वांट टू चूज। देन he can go to these 4 experts, he can go to these 4 mentors, talk to them, at least have initial talk to them. जब दे टॉक इनिशियली, एंड उसमें जब किसी के एक चार में से एटलीस्ट एक का तो थॉट प्रोसेस क्लियर हो जाएगा कि यस, मुझे इनके साथ जाना है, दिस इज द राइट थिंग व्हाट आई हैव टू डू। तो दैट टाइम, आई थिंक दैट इज द टाइम वेयर यू फाइंड द राइट मेंटर, where you get associated with him, and then do it. Because the young generation, what I am saying, they are most confused, and when to remove their confusion, they require a right mentor. And that is what I feel, this is how you can find a right mentor. And right now there are so many things available in so many online things कि आपको ये mentor चाहिए, ये expert चाहिए, ये expert चाहिए, everything is available on the platforms. I feel This is how it can be done.
Okay, thank you for that insight, because it's really one gets it's difficult to find mentors these days because there are so many mentors.
Yes, I know. I
Uh, okay, coming to the main focus of this COVID-19 series, like how has this COVID lockdown situation affected your businesses? I see you operate three different kinds of businesses. So how it has affected that?
So again, a very interesting question. I would start this conversation with one proverb or one sentence. I could say, necessity is mother of all invention. Necessity is mother of all innovations. जब जब वक्त आता है, जब ऐसा वक्त आता है जो आदमी सोच भी नहीं सकता है, उसको सोचने पे मजबूर करता है, and we try to innovate things. And pandemic and COVID is one of the things which has made everybody realize, or which has made everybody to bring out their inner creativity, inner innovations outside. क्योंकि yes, अभी समझिए कि कोई ट्रैवल और इवेंट्स वाले हैं, उनकी इंडस्ट्री लगभग 8 महीने खत्म हो चुकी थी. बट as I said, necessity is mother of all innovation. So what many people have done, now they thought of thinking a second line of business. They thought of doing second line of business. और जिनका जो बिजनेस है, अभी लेट मी टेक, अगर आप मेरा बिजनेस लोगे, लेट से चॉकलेट में मैंने क्या किया, दैट मेड मी कि जो जनरल चॉकलेट है जो सेलिब्रेशंस के लिए जाते हैं वो तो ठीक है, दैट इज देयर, बट पैंडेमिक में क्या किया, हेल्थ बेस्ड चॉकलेट लाना है, विच वाज देयर सिंस माय माइंड, इन माय माइंड सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम, बट द टाइम आज आ चुका है. तो व्हाट आई डिड, आई मेड हेल्थ बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड अनदर थिंग, ऐसे नहीं कि ऑनलाइन डिलीवरीज मैं पहले भी था, बट अभी मैंने ज्यादा किया है ऑनलाइन डिलीवरीज. आई ट्राई टू फाइंड रीसेलर्स. I tried to find resellers in different cities. I said, you take the lead. I will dispatch to your clients. So these are the things which have made me to innovate things. And this is what I have seen in n number of businesses. They have definitely made, yes. See, when you take 2 steps back, the pandemic has many businesses को पीछे ढकला है, 2 steps पीछे गए हैं. बट ये 2 steps पीछे, जैसे कि धनुष बाण में हम जब धनुष बाण को छोड़ना रहता है तो हमको पहले पीछे खींचना पड़ता है, और जब पीछे खींचते हैं तो उतने ही जोर से आगे जाता है. आई थिंक इट इज सेम थिंग विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन, विच इज हैपनिंग टू एवरीबडी. हमको 2 स्टेप पीछे गए हैं, बट दैट ये 2 स्टेप में हमको इतना सोचने पे मजबूर किया है, इतने आइडियाज आ चुके हैं कि we all are ready now to do lot of businesses, many more businesses with lot of innovations. This is what I could tell it.
Okay, that's great. Like I understand innovation जो रुका हुआ था pandemic ने actually it has started, some people have started taking action, and what I see is like जो 10 साल बाद होना था revolution, like everything going online, it has actually speed up हो गया है वो बहुत जल्दी fast.
Yes, yes.
We were not even prepared for it, but it went very well. So, like Pune, I'm sure like Pune also had this major like lockdown period where everything was almost stopped, like as we had in Delhi, complete like on 23rd March onwards, like for 21 days, everything closed suddenly. So, how did you spend major part of your lockdown period?
Pune, I think you know, everybody knows because it was topping the chart for many days and many months. Pune was always on the top when it comes to COVID. Yes, see, that was the time, initial 4-5 days, it was a panic to everybody. हम सबके लिए भी पैनिक था कि क्या करें, क्या अभी सिर्फ घर पे ही बैठना है. बट एट द सेम टाइम इट हैज गिवन वैल्यू टू स्पेंड टाइम विद फैमिली. जब फैमिली साथ में हो गई, देन वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग इट कि हमको क्या करना चाहिए. सो द ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग बिगेन एट होम. द ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग बिगेन एट होम. सो हम सब लोग अपने अपने आइडिया शेयर कर रहे थे कि हमको ऐसे करना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज अ सिचुएशन गिवन टू एंटायर वर्ल्ड. इट वाज अ सिचुएशन गिवन टू ऑल द वर्ल्ड. सो हमको क्या करना चाहिए. वी स्पेंड सम टाइम विद फैमिली, वी स्पेंड सम टाइम विद इनोवेशन. we spend more time in IT technologies कि हम Zoom को कैसा इस्तेमाल करें, Facebook को कैसे इस्तेमाल करें, ऑनलाइन में कैसे जाएं, कैसे जुड़े। आज अगर हम साथ में हैं, इट इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पैंडेमिक। हमको ये इनोवेशन होके हम सोचने पे मजबूर किए। हाँ, काफी लोग पहले भी यूज करते थे, बट मेनी पीपल हैव इनोवेटेड नाउ, दे हैव एक्सप्लोर्ड इट नाउ। तो अभी कुछ हुआ है। सो आई थिंक पैंडेमिक में, बट इन सब के अलावा मैंने और एक चीज की है। मैंने जो चीज की है, कोविड में मुझे जब पता चला, एंड जब मैं फार्मा बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, तो मुझे ये पता चला कि मुझे पता ये था कि लोगों को मदद की जरूरत पड़ेगी, लोगों को मदद की जरूरत पड़ेगी, और उसके लिए हमको कुछ करना चाहिए। एंड आई ऑल्सो बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ रोटरी इंटरनेशनल वेयर वी डू लॉट ऑफ सोशल वर्क। तो मैंने क्या किया, आई मेड अ हेल्थ टास्क फोर्स। हमने एक हेल्थ टास्क फोर्स बनाया, और उसमें कोविड रिलेटेड जितने भी लोग जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, उनका एक टीम बनाया मैंने। और मैंने क्या किया, वी टाइड अप विद 9 हॉस्पिटल्स इन पुणे। और हम बोले कि जो भी हमारे पास आएगा मदद के लिए, जो भी जान पहचान है, जैसे भी है, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ BNI, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ रोटरी। तो जहां से भी हमको जिसकी भी जरूरत पड़ेगी, जिसको मदद है, अभी जैसे कि हमारे कुछ मेंबर्स के कुछ रांची के मेंबर्स के पेरेंट्स यहाँ पर फंसे हुए थे पुणे में। अभी उनको जाना था वापस, कैसे जाए। तो हमने क्या किया, सो वी हेल्प देम आउट। वो हमको कनेक्ट किए, वी स्पोक टू द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, वी हमने उनको सब बताया, लैब टेस्टिंग के लिए भेजा, उनका टेस्ट करवाया, प्रॉपर सर्टिफिकेशन करवाया, और उनको यहाँ से रवाना किया। देन वी गॉट लॉट ऑफ पीपल अप्रोचिंग अस कि हमको हॉस्पिटल में बेड नहीं मिल रहा है, 93-year-old पर्सन जिसको बेड नहीं मिल रहा है। तो हमने फोन पे बात की कि ऐसे ऐसे क्रिटिकल केस है, इनको कैसा करे। तो हमने हॉस्पिटल में एडमिशन दिलवाया उनको, वो ठीक होके भी चले गए। देन वी गॉट सम पीपल कि हमारे बिल्डिंग के लोगों में पैंडेमिक हो गया, मतलब कोविड हो गया, अभी इसको हम कैसा करें, हॉस्पिटल में तो जगह नहीं है। फिर हमने हॉस्पिटल से बात करके उनके ही बिल्डिंग में एक हॉल में हमने एक सेंटर बनाया। वहां पर लोगों को वहीं ट्रीटमेंट, वहीं एडमिशन करके वहीं ट्रीटमेंट कराते गए। हॉस्पिटल से मॉनिटर के लिए डॉक्टर आते थे, नर्सेस आते थे। तो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग इट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, ब्लड डोनेशन, was the major thing which I did. We did it through our Rotary also. I myself donated 2 times blood in this pandemic. So this was another thing. लोगों को कंटेनमेंट जोन में उनके लिए खाने के ये पल्सेस, ग्रोसरीज, ये भी हमने लोगों से भी डोनेशन लिया, हम लोगों ने भी डोनेट किया, ये सब भी किया। सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम आवर इनोवेशन बिजनेस एंड दिस थिंग, वी डिड दिस आल्सो। वी डोनेटेड मास्क, वी डोनेटेड PP सूट, all these things we have done.
Thank you for your contribution to the society. I think people like you deserve a very big thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. And on ending note, would you give any message to my audience and your audience?
Sure, sure. First of all, for this, there's an institute called here Surya Datta Group of Institute. They have conferred me with COVID Warrior Surya Gaurav International Award. They had given to 21 people. I was one of them who did for the COVID, and still I'm doing it, whichever I get. So coming back to the message and this thing, only I would like to share only one thing. One thing is, we all should be united together. कोई भी सिचुएशन आ जाए, कहीं भी आ जाए, let us all be together. Let us all together surpass this phase of pandemic. Let us all surpass this pandemic. Also help each other. Let us help each other in business, in humanity, and in everything. This is what I would say. Friendship, relationship, bonding. This is what is going to help each and everybody. This is only one message I can give and share with everybody. This is what I could say, Kapil.
Thank you, Deepak. Thank you for a wonderful meeting and sharing with us. So, friends, this was Deepak Toshiwal from Pune, who is a great inspiration for us all. And I'll join you soon with more guests of mine. Bye for now. Signing off.